Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 19 Special Type of Quadrilaterals Exercise 19D Question 6. This is the first part. ABCD is a rhombus. Angle BAC is equal to 37 degrees. Draw a sketch and find the four angles of the rhombus. Okay, let's make a rhombus. Fine. So let's give this rhombus a name A, B, C and D. ABCD, this is my rhombus. It says angle BAC is 37 degrees. So B, A and C. So you can see it's not joint. Let's connect this. Fine. So BAC, that's here. What? 37 degrees. You have to make the figure with me because it says draw the sketch. So let's draw the rough sketch. Now it says find the four angles of the rhombus. We have to find all the four angles: angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Okay, look here. In a rhombus, diagonals bisect the interior angle. This is a property, right? This is what we are all aware about. So in a rhombus the diagonals bisect the interior angles. So BAC, right, that is 37 degrees, will be equal to angle CAD or not? Okay, BA and C, this is 37. So C, A and D will also have the same measure of 37 degrees. That means angle CAD is equal to 37 degrees. So therefore you can write it down. The whole angle, okay, angle DAB, angle DA and B, right? Or simply you can say angle A. It will be equal to 37 plus 37, right? This part plus this part, which is 7, 7, 14 and 1, 74 degrees. That is the first angle we have taken out. Look, so we know this is 74 degrees. Okay, now come to the other part of this. Angle A will be equal to angle C because opposite angles in a rhombus are equal. Fine. This is the property again, right? We won't be repeating this many times. As I said, opposite angles in the rhombus have the same measure. So angle A is 74 degrees. Therefore, angle C will also be 74 degrees or not? Another angle we have taken out. Fine. Now look. So you have angle A, okay, you have angle C. So angle ACB, if I find out, right, angle this one A, C and B, if I will find out, and so if I know ACB and I can use the angle sum property, fine. So look here, angle ACB, this part will be half of angle C. Yes, that means 37 degrees only. This is also 37 degrees. This is also 37 degrees. That means what? Angle, see here, CAB plus angle ACB plus angle CBA. All the three angles you take and add, the sum will be 180 degrees. CAB is also 37, ACB is also 37 and CBA we don't know, that is equal to 180. From here I can get angle CBA, this angle, or simply what? Angle B. So my third angle is also coming, just wait. So this is equal to 180 minus 74, angle CBA is what? 6, 7 minus 7, 0, 106 degrees. So angle B, okay, or angle B is equal to 106 degrees. Simply you can write it like this. So angle A, angle B and angle C, we all now know the measure of three angles. So simple, very simple. Now you have to find angle D. Angle B will be equal to angle D because opposite angles are equal, as we are all aware. So angle B will be equal to this part of angle D, right? And if this is what, 106 degrees, that means angle D will also be 106 degrees, right? So angle D equals to 106 degrees. Another angle, and all four angles we have taken out. So finally your answer will be the measure of all the four angles of the rhombus. It is what? First is 74 degrees, then 106 degrees for angle B, then 74 degrees for angle C, and then again 106 degrees for angle D. All the four measures are as follows. Fine, and that is the answer. Let's move on to the second part of this question. Look at the second part. If an angle of a rhombus is 50 degrees, find the size of the angles of the triangles which are formed by the diagonals. So this is 50 degrees, right? We have to find the size of the angles of one of the triangles which are formed by the diagonals, right? So what I will do, you will join this. You will construct BD. It's a diagonal, so you have to construct the second diagonal also. One diagonal is already given, you'll construct the second diagonal also. Look now, look carefully, okay? This angle will be 90, this angle will also be 90, this angle will also be 90, and this angle will be 90 as well. Fine. The diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at right angles, right? This is the property. Fine. So here angle, look, let's give this point center as the O. So in triangle A, O and B, what we will have, look, angle OAB will be half of angle DAB. Okay, see, O, A and B, it will be half of D, A and B. DAB completely it is 50 degrees, half of 50 degrees. Now first of all, why am I doing this? Because diagonals of the rhombus bisect the interior angles. Okay, diagonals of a rhombus bisect the interior angles. Fine. So this is the property we are using. Angle OAB, it will be equal to 50 by 2, that is 25 degrees, right? Now see here, OAB is 50 degrees, right? And angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees because diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Fine. It's a property again of the rhombus where the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So AOB will be 90 degrees or not? Yes. And this one you can write it down here somewhere here. This will be 25 degrees. Let's find out this angle. Angle OBA. So we will use the property that is the angle sum property of the triangle that says angle AOB plus angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to what? It is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, So AOB is 90 degrees, OAB is 25 degrees, angle OBA I don't know, and rest is equal to 180. So from here I can calculate angle OBA, that is 180 minus 180, right, minus what you will have here, 90 plus 25, 5 here, and 9 1 11, 115. So angle OB and A, it is equal to 5, 7 minus 1 6, 65 degrees. OBA, it is 65. Now I have got the three measures of one angle, sorry, the three measures of one triangle. Triangle is A, O and B, where angle OAB is 25 degree, angle AOB is 90 degree, and angle OBA is 65 degrees. So we have studied the diagonals of the rhombus. They bisect the rhombus into four congruent triangles. Okay, that means this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, they are equal. Fine, because you can see all the sides are equal, the diagonals bisect each other, and that is it. Side 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 postulate, or you can even say two sides inside and one right angle. So they are basically congruent. Just take this much for now. When four angles will be congruent, the measure of all the angles of all the four triangles will be the same. Okay, in one triangle it is 90 degree, 25 degree, 65 degree. So all the three measures will be in the other triangle also. So there is no need to calculate further. Directly our answer will be what? The measures of the angles are as follows. What? 25 degrees, 65 degrees and 90 degrees. This is the final answer. Okay, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.